Hello everyone, it is Melissa and I am back with another video, and this time I am sharing my May 2019 project life. And so let's go ahead and get started. I do use 8.5 by 11 size, and I use the Hobby Lobby trading card sleeves. So here we go. I will do a once over and then I will go into detail per usual. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And I would love for you to subscribe for more videos. Okay, so here we go. So as always, I'm using my Silhouette Studio cut files for, I have all 12 months, so I cut in May with some blue pattern paper for my stash. It had some yellow specks on it, and I just used a cloud stencil from MFT and some distress ink and made some clouds on the back there. This Woohoo is a stamp from Paper Smooches. This sun die is from MFT. This is a piece of flair that I put onto a heart from Lawn Fawn, red cardstock heart. And the sun is out is from Carrie Bradford, one of her summer sets. Okay, so a lot of the cards that I'm using are from the Ali Edwards Stories by the Month kit, and so I will reference those throughout the video. So this first one, this is May, looking forward to, and I just did golf season. All the journaling is done with my typewriter, and this sticker, I don't know where that's from, but just me and my golf partner. This is the trip I took, the annual trip I took to Novi, to the Scrapbook Expo. And I have a video with a haul that, if I remember, I will link up above here. So also, this is a fun day with some girlfriends. Feeling So Happy is from Freckled Fawn. It's a piece of chipboard. Freckled Fawn little epoxy sticker, and just did some typewriter journaling here. So Lucky is from the Ali Edwards Story by the Month from the March kit. I just added 2 hearts for my stash. This was for Mother's Day. This card was from Stories by the Month. The good goes along with the bad and makes a beautiful picture. And I mean, that couldn't have been said better for Mother's Day for me. So, okay, next I have a flip pocket that I made, and this is from either Close to My Heart or Snap Simple Stories. But here's another piece of chipboard. It says You Make Me So Happy, and I modified this just like I always do with my fuse tool. Added a Avery tab. This was a pre-printed. It said love, and I just added a heart. And my dog got her first real haircut. Now, last month or the month before, I did a page how she just got a little trim, like getting used to the groomer because she's still a baby. And this one, wait till you see it. So here's the before, and there's the after. She lost like 10 pounds. It's hilarious. This love sticker in gold is from a Stampin' Up! Old setup that they had. Yes is from Ali Edwards. And I just typed up about how my baby girl's like itty bitty again. Okay, so Let Your Joy Burst Forth in Flowers in Spring. This is a peony from my front yard, and I stamped Some Kind of Wonderful in black, VersaFine Onyx Black ink. It's a beautiful flower, so, and that's from Ali Edwards, if I didn't already say that. Okay, so moving on to the back side. Here's a close-up. All right, so my daughter did a solo at her choir concert with her friend Athen, and she played the piano and he sang an accompaniment with her the song I'm Still Standing, and it was great. My son finished his first and probably only year with the viola, so I added some alpha stickers from my stash and just documented how he didn't love it. So this Celebrate is from a Stamp Ali Stories by the Month Club stamp, and One Happy Day is an epoxy sticker from Freckled Fawn. This was just a pool party, fun with friends. This was Memorial Day. Enjoy the Moments is from Ali Edwards. Right Now, that's actually a printable from Ali Edwards, and I just stapled it with my tiny attacher, and it's my daughter gearing up for her golf season, so she golfs all summer. This is my daughter's graduation. I just used some washi tape. This is from Joann's. I don't remember, to be honest. And I just put a group picture here. This is Right Now, and I want to say that's from Ali Edwards, and I just did a Love This sticker across from a cork heart. And this is an Allie sticker that says the best is yet to come. You're one cool kid. That's a cut apart from maybe Echo Park or Simple Stories. I can't remember. And I just added happy birthday to you, wishing you happiness. And those are from Tim Holtz. And then this leads me into me using my Technique Tuesday die. My son's birthday, he turned 12, so I made this epoxy with some MFT bottle cap numbers and a piece of pattern paper and an epoxy bubble sticker. This is from Allie Edwards, Enjoying the Little Things, the Little Details. Best Friends is from Freckled Fawn, and this photo I just added, it was from the night of my son's birthday. They went skating, and hashtag weekend was stamped in some Stampin' Up! Ink, and that is a stamp from Heidi Swap. So I'll give you another once over. And if you like this video, like I mentioned, I would love for you to subscribe for more. I usually post one video a week. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back with my June share coming up here soon. Thanks guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I will also link my social media to Instagram and Facebook in the description box. I'd love for you to head over there and follow me over there as well. All right, have a great day. Bye.